Para lang kaming nasa, nasa Cubao Expo. So, when in Amsterdam, please eat Indonesian food or Asian food. Kasi sobrang sarap ng mga Asian food dito. So, si Chris found a restaurant, it's called Bali Brunch. And sarap na food. Na-miss ko yung kanin.
Let ons werkzaamheden. Red, purple, orange.
Nasal po dito. Tapos na po ang kanilang post-nap shoot.
Thank you, Chris Nix.
Walang mga label yung mga flowers dito, no? Ang ganda din ito. Anong flowers kaya to? Ito nga po pala ang shoe capital ng Netherlands. Pero ang ganda din. Magbo-bloom. Mukhang magbo-bloom pa lang. So nice. Look at this field. Ang ganda ng color. Oh, from the top of the world! Nasakay ako dito sa parang shoe.
I'm so excited for my tiramisu.
And chicken.
Last night
Excited naman chicken mo.
Crispy chicken. First snack lang eh. Baka yung parang yesterday. Inggit ka, no?
No. Why? I'm good. Kinain ka pa yung burger mo.
Oh my God!
Sana na-videoan. Yes!
Hello from Winkel. Winkel? Sabi, ang laki naman ng thing. Diba? Di ba yung kasing laki siya halos ng palad ko? Ay! Neutral, diba? Sarap!
Gusto mo iba?
Simple. May comments na agad. Di ba? Masarap ba, babe?
Sarap.
Masarap din yung apple, pie. Here at the Anne Frank house. We're waiting for our tour.
Bawal ka kasi mag-photo sa mag-video.
We'll share what you can.
But before we start, we need to climb some stairs. Is everyone still fit enough to do so? No bad knees or something? Great,
Yes.
you can all follow me. And from now on, filming or something is no longer allowed, so keep that in mind.
Papunta na sa red light district. Oh, kamusta naman yung asawa mo doon?
Nandun ka pa na.
Nabusog na.
Hinihintay nyo talaga ako.
Lalo ba?
Nagaling.
Ano?
Hello. Ang gulo nung ano mo yung location.
Ayun, hindi nag-load.
Okay, we're out of the house. We have 2.5 hours to still explore and eat lunch. Di ba tayo bumili ng ganyan? Magnets, guys. Pero last time kasi, puro tulips yung binili na. Oo nga, mura lang, 150. Ano ba? The original Dutch syrup stroop waffle. Hi.
Morning. One original and one Nutella. Freshly made.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much. Budol kami ng best chicken in Amsterdam. Parang meron siyang curry na taste, no? Parang curry powder.
May sandwich din sila. Kaso feeling ko bubusog kami na sobra.
You can try it all. I can go home then. Would you like melted cheese on it?
Yeah, up to you.
No, as no.
Six here. I believe it's a 512.
Nabudol na naman yung asawa ko.
Ako?
Ay, sorry.
Ano ba yan?
Chicken
Do you want
balls.
with mode or without? It's mixed with other things, so you can't have that. If it's not allowed with sugar. Sir? Sir? This is yours. Here you go. You can have a seat. All the sauces are on the table. Thank you so much.
No label.
Have it cold also. Oh yes. Yeah, this is the
Oh.
Sweet
the
chili.
cold one is in the fridge in the back. Okay. Eight euros.
Init.
Thank you
How was
so
it?
much.
It's full of spice. Tasty. It's very tasty. Lambot.
It's with garlic sauce.
Like it? Yes. It's good. It's good, right? It's very tasty.
Feel ko yung wings, parang yung favorite ko na makul.
Gusto mo?
Yeah.
Gusto ko. Actually gusto ko. Kaso may sikain.
Tigit sa tayo.
Gusto ko na? Ano? Saya mo? Saya mo?
trip na talaga kami. Ano to? Yung mini Dutch pancakes. Yes!
Wat wil je? Poffertjes? Ja? Nog alleen een kleine halve.
Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Okay, we lined up. Advanced people. 10-minute wait time from here. This isn't the branch that we went to dati.
OG yata yung before.
Oh, hindi ko bago to kasi nandito siya sa dam eh. Doon nila nilalagay yung parang filling na white. Cute. Nung nasa likod, dinideliver yung cookies via like a conveyor belt. Did you see? This is in Rokin. Yung Van Steeple na malaking store is just in the same station sa taas. It's very accessible via train. Hi! Check out at 11. Today is our last day in Amsterdam and we'll go to Paris next. Hindi na kami masyado nakapag-vlog yesterday kasi hindi pwede dun sa mga pinuntahan namin. So, we went to the Anne Frank house. Yung nakuha naming ticket was the introductory class. So, parang merong classroom set up that went through the history of Anne from the time she was born until her death. No. Tip for booking Anne Frank tickets, you need to buy them 6 weeks before your ideal visit date. Tapos, it opens up every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Amsterdam time. 4 p.m. our time on a Tuesday, 6 weeks before your intended week of visit. So, nakakuha kami, and then our friends, they wanted to get last minute. So, the key naman is if you don't make it 6 weeks before, you should buy your tickets 1 week before your intended visit. Tuesday then, 10 a.m. So, nag-open siya same time as the 6 weeks ahead. Pero yung kapag last minute booking, ano na lang siya, yung
Wala
mga...
na introductory.
Oo, tsaka yung mga na-cancel. Just konting-konting tickets na lang siya. So, if you're a big group, hindi siya ideal na last minute kayo mag-book. Tapos, it's only for sale dun sa Anne Frank website. Hindi nyo siya makukuha sa Klook, sa Get Your Guide, sa Viator. Kamusta yung experience? It was good naman. Although, we felt like, kasi sa online, ang daming recommendations. So, you should get the introductory class kasi mas heartwarming, ganun-ganun. Pero na-feel lang namin na nung umiikot kami. Medyo redundant. So, yung mga sinabi dun sa class, which is about 30 minutes prior to the museum visit na 1 hour, ganun din, para mapapakinggan mo din siya dun sa audio guide. So, ayun.
Yung with the things written in the wall.
Oo,
yun
din yung sinabi. So, yun. It's just a small group dun sa introductory class. I think we're about 15 to 20 lang. Mga ganun lang. Tapos, pumasok na rin kami dun sa loob.
Pero siguro yung introductory class works well for people na gusto na lang i-enjoy yung tour around na parang hindi ka na gano'ng makikinig.
Actually.
Kasi may mga artifacts doon eh. May mga artifacts na preserve. Tapos, yun yung actual rooms kung saan sila nakatago. So, parang if you want to live in the moment and experience yung area, baka makatulong yung introductory class, no? Kasi nga, yun din yun. Hindi mo na kailangan magbasa. Just enjoy na lang yung nakikita mo.
And then, the day before the wedding, we also went to Moco Museum. Basta, maulan lang siya. So, ang hirap lang pumila sa labas. Di din namin na-explore yung garden.
Yeah.
But, it was a good collection. Meron siyang mga hinahanap na hindi niya nakita. Kasi pinapalitan pala from time to time.
From time to time. Parang week before pinalitan yung hinahanap ko.
But my favorite was the Robbie Williams room. Kasi parang hindi rin siya always nandun, I think. Kasi may note dun sa ibang mga souvenirs na exclusive siya, tapos limited time.
Did we get that magnet, no?
We did, the purple one. Oo. Yun. Parang siyang house na 3 floors na may maliliit na rooms for every artist. Tapos, so that was what we did. We also went to Red Light last night. So, bawal mag-film. Kasi nagagalit din yung girls. Merong guy, pasimple, nag-film siya dun sa kanal, na gitna. Pina-flashlightan siya nung girls.
Para hindi makita pagka dinaanan ng camera.
So, yun. Okay naman.
How's your peeping show experience?
It was yung actual walk was like, chill lang siya. Wala naman sobrang rowdy na ginagawa. Kasi titignan mo lang, pwede ka mag-hi, tapos pwede ka nilang, ganun yun. Tapos yung friend namin, nag-peep show sila. Tapos niyaya nila kami. It only cost 2 euros for 2 minutes. Maghulog ka ng coins, as if you want more, pwede kang maghulog ulit.
Tapos if you don't have coins, may mga machine naman doon na pwede kang card yung gamitin mo. Tapos minimum 5 euros yung pwede mo i-purchase.
Oo. Tapos in that one small room where you take a look at yung show, pwede dalawa.
Balit lang eh. Parang ganito lang.
Ay, saan yan?
Parang ganito lang yung...
So, parang pinapanood namin kayo dyan. Sasayaw kayo dyan.
Tapos merong glass dito na window. Tapos pagka naghulog ka na ng coins, bubukas na siya. Bubukas na siya. So makikita mo doon sa gitna yung girl, kung ano yung ginagawa niya. Tapos umiikot siya. So maraming mga rooms na gano'n na may glass pabilog. So makikita nyo rin isa't isa ng mga nanonood. So it means na kita ka rin nung girl sa loob.
Ayun. This trip to Amsterdam is actually very surprising kasi ganda ng neighborhood, na-appreciate namin siya. Yun lang, puro inom. Maganda kami.
Ang dami namin backlogs.
Oo. So, yun. We'll meet our friends also later sa train. Nakalimutan na din siya. Nag-tulip barn din pala kami. So, masaya siya. Actually, mas na-enjoy ko siya kaysa sa... Keukenhof ba? Keukenhof. Kasi, siya, you can really walk dun sa fields. Tapos, mas mura siya. Yun lang, hindi kasi namin super na plan yung trip namin going there. So, parang pakiramdaman kami nila Sheila kung punta na ba tayo today? May time ba? Ganun. So, nag-Uber kami. It was expensive actually. There's an option that you can ride, I think, the Keukenhof bus. Tapos maglakad na lang or mag-bike kayo. Oo. That's cheaper, pero yun yan, dahil hindi kami masyado nakapag-plan and gawal na kami sa oras, nag-Uber na lang kami. So going there, it was around 2 p.m. that we went, 40 euros, 43. Tapos nung pabalik na
75.
So medyo mahal siya. Pero at least 4 naman kami, maghahati-hati kami doon. And when we parang compared with yung kay Mika na ticket na nag-Keukenhof siya, theme park visit and the bus, parang same lang. Nakatipid kami sa Tulip Barn na ticket. Pero yung transpo medyo mabigat siya. So, yun. It's open until late eh. Parang mga 7 ba? 7 din ata.
Tsaka kung gusto niyo talaga yung experience na yung Garden of Tulips talaga yung lalakaran nyo, yung talaga saan sila nakaplant, hindi siya yung parang park
display,
talaga. Oo. Doon kayo pumunta. Kasi si Keukenhof parang medyo na siya talagang park. Pero ganun yung feels.
Theme park?
Theme park. Oo, ganun yung pakiramdam niya. Versus yung talagang mukha talaga siyang garden na tabi-tabi. Lahat ng tulips nakatanim dyan, hilera. Tapos maglakad na lang kayo kung saan yung spots na gusto nyo. May mga few spots din na pwedeng, na pinipare sila na pwede kayong magpicture. May windmills din doon. Ano pa ba? May bridge, may car, may bikes, na mga stops nyo na pwede kayong mag-photo. So, it's still not bad. Actually, nagustuhan ko.
Ganda. Timing also.
But I think 2 hours is enough. No?
Yeah. Oh, our Airbnb host is here. Okay. We're in Paris!
Halika dito. Halika na. Iwas pickpockets.